points in the paint. The team that can win the battle down there is going to be the one that comes out on top.
Oh, it's your show, dog.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Strips the ball. He'll bring it up court. Gives it off to Davis. Finger roll.
Davis.
Best will bring it up court. With the nice shot fake, batted away by T-Mac.
Orlando up the turn steals in the fast break point.
Orlando hoping to take advantage of a 2-on-1. Davis with a finger roll. That's a 6-zip run. The Magic are up by 6. Best sets it up on the right side. Steal.
Orlando turn that steal into some point.
Loud picks up the defensive foul. The Magic are an 8-0 run. The Magic are ahead by 8. McGrady should be automatic from the line. Good. The Magic are running it home.
They are lighting it up early.
Best is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give them out of his way.
Johnson with a defensive foul. That's an 11-0 run. This player wasn't always a great free throw shooter.
It just goes to show you what you can get from practicing.
Sinks it. Best feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Up fake. Shot blocked by Hill.
Out of bounds. Bulls ball.
Best is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Hill spins. Back to Davis. O'Neal, good fake. Looks at the 3. Got it!
You gotta love watching them run their game.
Every play has been extremely well executed. Best sets it up on the right side. Blount puts it up.
Jumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. Hill with the interception. Baron Davis proves game after game why he's an all-star. He's a leader of this team. That's 6 points for the former UCLA Bruin. He sets it up on the right side. That guy set a solid screen. Pass to Davis. Weber pump fakes. Gives it off to Weber. Davis at the baseline. Blount leaves his feet. Blount is called for the defensive foul. The Magic are up by 17.
Baron Davis.
His performance at the foul line has been a distraction for his team.
Especially when games come down to the wire, they don't want opposing defenses to be able to put him on the line. Oakley boards it.
2 minutes to go in the first quarter.
Best, good fake.
Out of bounds, Chicago ball.
Takes his jumper all the way home. It's stolen to Best. 2-on-1 now with the fast break. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. Passes off to Weber.
And he is feeling it.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Best wants to try and work it into the post here. Backs his man down. Dishes off to Best. Davis with the steal. He can hit you from 3, he can pull up from 15, he can definitely posterize you at the rim. When T-Mac hits the rock, you know something big's going to happen.
Number 1, Tracy McGrady.
He sets up the offense. Stolen. That's their game, running the fast break. You can't stop it.
He's rampaging.
Orlando on a 6-0 run. He sets it up on the right side. Rose takes the jumper. O'Neal with the rebound. There's the alley-oop.
Straight from the highlight reel.
That's an 8-0 run.
The assist to Baron Davis.
Best is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Got it!
DeMar Johnson for 2.
Puts up the shot.
O'Neal. The assist to Grant Hill.
Put it up.
Batted away by Sewell with a deep 2. Johnson can't find the hole. After 1, the Magic are ahead, 29. Bob, after 1 quarter of play, these guys look like they don't know what hit them.
I think they were surprised by the speed of the other team's attack. They could drop a lot of points on you in a hurry.
Takes his jumper. Best, no good. Weber gets the board. He couldn't connect on the pass.
There was no way the other player could have known that ball was heading his way.
Blocked. The Magic were able to come up with a big play.
They are determined to hold this team down.
For the Chicago Bulls, number 43, Corey Blount.
Williams feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Swatted away by O'Neal. Davis sets it up on the left side. It's stolen. Chicago moves the ball up court in a hurry. The Magic give up another.
Down in situations like that, don't start going at the ref. Get yourself back on deep.
Back to McGrady. Back to Weber. Drive the 3. Marshall grabs it. Williams is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Lays it in. He has 7 points.
Number 1, Tracy McGrady.
Johnson, good fake. No. Hill collects the rebound. Taps it off with a windmill dunk. He's now got 10 points.
Into the game for the Bulls, number 50, Mike Miller, and number 21, Marcus Meiser.
Hey, yo, come on.
Rose with the J. Hill takes the rebound. He pushes up the floor. Puts out the jumper. Miller grabs the rebound. He sets it up on the left side. Davis is whistled for the defensive foul.
That's his.
They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
Fine. Call that.
Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. Meiser takes the jumper.
Marcus Meiser, the assist to number 43, Corey Blount.
That was a monster dunk.
The assist
He'll bring it up
number
court.
33, Grant Hill.
Williams wants to try and work it into the post here.
Come on, Red.
They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Blocked by T-Mac.
Out of bounds, Bulls ball.
9 on the shot clock. Miller puts up the tray.
Mike Miller for 3. The assist to number 21, Marcus Meiser.
Back to Davis. With a nice shot fake. Back to Davis. He goes for 3. Blount brings it down. He sets it up on the left side.
Man, what's the foul?
To Miller. to Pfizer. Weber picks up the foul.
To number 4, Chris Weber. That's his first personal team foul, number 2.
He's worked hard to keep his foul shooting at a respectable
Marcus
percentage.
Pfizer.
Now, this player doesn't want to be the one that lets
2
his team
minutes to
down
go
in crunch
in
time.
the second quarter.
To T-Mac. Pass to Davis. Hill handles the pass. Shaquille O'Neal. How do you stop a guy that's 7'1", over 300 pounds, and is a tremendous athlete?
Many have tried, none have succeeded.
Looks at a three. Williams gets the rebound. Chicago is showing us their running game right now. Miller makes the shot.
When it comes to shooting, this man is unstoppable.
To O'Neal. Weber fakes him into the front.
The low post defender needs to start fronting his man.
The assist to number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Shot blocked by Hill.
Out of bounds, Bulls ball.
Orlando's going to come up with a lot more steals with that kind of ball play.
Wow, that was pure athleticism.
The assist to Baron Davis.
And this is what the coach has been talking about.
He forced the misstep. Ouch! He's not afraid to give up his body to draw the charges.
He'll be feeling this one after the game, Don.
The shot from the baseline.
Miller. The assist to number 22, Jay Williams.
To O'Neal. There's the fake. To T-Mac. Blount takes it away. Kicks it out to Williams.
Out of bounds, magic ball. Into the game for the Chicago Bulls. Number 21, Marcus Pfizer.
O'Neal fakes the shot. Gives it off to Weber. Marshall with the theft.
They'll think twice before trying that one again.
That was some excellent aggressive defense. Fires away. Miller makes the jumper.
For 3, the assist to Jay Williams.
O'Neal with the fake. Steal. Chicago, he's looking to finish this 2-on-1.
Defensive foul.
McGrady picks up the defensive foul.
McGrady, first foul in the final 2 minutes.
This is his money shot.
He's got such an outstanding shooting percentage from the line, but you can put that money in the bank.
Makes the second shot.
One shot.
To Seaweb. Davis at the horn. At the end of the second quarter, Orlando is ahead 42-26.
Chris Weber.
If this team does one thing differently in the second half, they should contest more shots.
Absolutely, Don. I'm talking about really getting up on the guys, challenging the shooter, and just not waving a hand in the face.
Davis with the steal. Puts up the jumper.
Orlando has been getting good position, but just can't come up with a bucket.
To Marshall. To Johnson. To Best. There's the fake. Deflects the shot.
Out of bounds.
I don't think the player liked that call.
He's trying to reason with the official, but I don't think I've ever seen that work.
The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Book it.
For 3, the assist to Jalen Rose.
To Davis. To T-Mac. To O'Neal. Best with the defensive foul.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
O'Neal
To the
is
line.
not what you would
Shooting
call a
one.
good free
Shaquille
throw
O'Neal.
shooter. It's good. He'll bring it up court. Strips the ball. Johnson, he's trying to buy the defensive time. Oh, I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. He'll bring it up court.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Blocked by O'Neal. Hill at half court with the spin move. Marshall picks off the pass. He's really pushing the ball up court. Mr. High Riser, he sure threw that one down with authority.
Travis Best.
Fakes the shot to Weber. He's been robbed. Best is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Batted away by T-Mac. To C-Web. Sends it to O'Neal. Pump fakes. Dishes it to Hill. Launches the three. Marshall gets the rebound. Dishes off to Rose. McGrady is whistled for the foul.
Defensive foul to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
It's stolen. Back to McGrady. Steal.
They've got it going on now.
This is the kind of game they wanted to play tonight. The fake. Looks at the three. Marshall brings it down. Best goes up. No. Marshall grabs the offensive board. McGrady takes the rebound. Marshall with the interception. Rose is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Davis is charged with the foul.
That's his second personal. Team foul number 2.
Rose is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
That's a 6-zip run. Shoots. Knocks it down. That gives him 10 points. Johnson wants to try and work it into the post here. Takes the three-pointer. Rose hits it.
The assist to number 43, Corey Blount.
O'Neal pump fakes. Fires away.
He takes the twine with another stop.
Bob, his field goal percentage is off the chart. He pump fakes. Swatted away by Weber. No. Blount grabs the offensive board. Crossover on the defender. To Marshall. That was an unbelievable 180 dunk. Chicago trails by 11.
43, Corey Blount.
Throwing it down with a tomahawk jam.
The assist to number 1, Baron Davis.
Best sets it up on the right side. Sends it to Best. He puts up the jumper. Their offense is out of sync right now.
Don, the only way they're going to win this is by settling down and the right shot. They're playing with some swagger now, Don.
And keeping their shooting streak alive.
Tracy McGrady.
He comes away with it. With the nice shot fake. Launches the three. Hill, no good. Blount with the rebound. I'm not sure who that cross was intended for.
I don't think the pass is either. This quarter is going in the book.
The shot clock has been switched off, and they'll hold for the last shot. To Hill, to T-Mac, fired. Blount takes the board. Chicago wants to push it with the layup.
Right here. Last shot for us.
Weber fired. After three, the Magic are up 55-40. Their coach has to be pretty happy with their play so far, anyway.
Always want to go to the fourth quarter ahead on the scoreboard, but the big question is, can you hang on to that lead?
Rose with the theft. Williams is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Dish to Hill. To McGrady. To Davis. With the fake. Dishes it to Weber. Blount with the interception.
I'm getting hammered in here, man.
A short pass to Marshall. Takes the three-pointer. Williams comes up empty. O'Neal takes the board with the quick spin move. With the jumper. Rose grabs it. Williams sets the offense. Marshall feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
He slams it.
He's got some two-fisted spirit.
Williams
The
will
assist to
bring it up
Tracy
court.
McGrady.
Energy on defense. Let's
Williams makes the lay-in.
Williams.
Chicago reduces the lead to 13. To Davis. Passes off to O'Neal. Gonna shoot.
Out of bounds. Orlando ball into the game for the Chicago Bulls. Number 33.
For three. Davis buries the shot. That's 18 points for the former UCLA Bruin.
Orlando able to come up with the ball out of the screen.
Orlando with the quick transition on offense.
The entire team was dogging at that time.
The assist to number 1, Aaron Davis.
Come up on your left.
Williams takes the jumper. Batted away by Davis. I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
He wanted to put the ball inside to see how the defense
Aaron
reacts.
Davis.
There was no hesitation that time. He stepped right in.
43, Corey Blount.
Looks at a three. O'Neal with the offensive rebound and drains the shot. That's a 7-0 run. The Magic are ahead by 20. Tries the three. No.
Those missed outside shots are going to hurt their chances.
Hill fires it. He misses it. Rose picks it out of the air. Williams is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Shoots. Rose drains the jumper. He has 13 points. This team needs to get back under control.
They can't afford to be throwing the ball away like
for the
that.
Chicago Bulls, number 1, Lamar Johnson, and number 6, Travis Beck.
He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
2 minutes
Rose
left
shoots.
in the fourth quarter.
They stopped them last trip down the floor. Can they do it again?
There's the awesome two-handed play.
No one's getting a piece of that.
The Magic are up by 20. To Rose. Bats it away. Davis is called for the defensive foul. You put him on the line and he'll connect.
And if you watch his release, you'll know why.
It's the second.
Into the game for the Chicago Bulls.
Rose
Number 42,
makes them all.
Danielle Marshall.
To Hill. To T-Mac. Back to Hill. Pass to Weber. Sends it to McGrady. He puts up the jumper. Marshall boards it. That's 5 boards for the former Connecticut Husky. McGrady collects the rebound. On the break. He's taken this one to another level. Johnson will bring it up court. Got it!
He's got his game face on for this one.
I can't remember the last time he missed. Leaves his feet. That was a sick two-handed jam.
The assist to Chris Weber.
Takes the three-pointer. Rose can't keep shooting outside his range if he wants to win this one. To McGrady. Fires away. Rose picks it out of the air. Up for the lay-in. Orlando couldn't get back.
Time to get a spark plug from off the bench.
With the nice shot fake. To T-Mac. He puts up the jumper. Weber on the offensive board.
He took him to the rack that time.
And got some easy points in the paint. Bez takes the shot. Rose with the offensive board. That's 5 boards for the former first-round pick. Tips it in. Strips the ball to Bez. Passes off to Rose. Block shot.
He's a freight train.
Launches the three. Best
Out of
misfire.
bounds. Magic ball.
final score, Orlando 74, Chicago 56.